the way I do is, if it gets spinning really, really, really fast, this is what I do. This is style. This is what I do. But again, if you want to normal bands, then last spin is slow, so she can stop. So last one, she spins on on her own. The problem is person to person. The other one, this really 8-bit one. This, a lot of people do this, right? When you spin, actually, she has to unwind herself. In other words, she positions herself like this. She moves this much. So around this time, your power has to be exerted. In other words, very you have to let her maintain her posture, and then spin is easier. See? Sorry, I have to do a twist.
No
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right? Show off. Right? Good. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1.